So today we are talking about the oldest living organism.
The oldest living organism. By organism, do you mean animal?
No, not necessarily. It just has to be living. Do you have any guesses on what the oldest living organism could be?
Is it some kind of bacteria?
Well, there is some controversy about that because there are instances of bacteria that were frozen for a long time and were brought back to life. For our purposes, let's talk about the oldest continuously living thing.
Meaning it was never frozen and then brought back to life.
Exactly.
I think you'll just have to tell me what it is.
I'll give you a hint. This living thing uses sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make its food.
Is it a plant? A tree?
Yes, it's a tree. Not just any tree, but a bristlecone pine, which is a type of pine tree found in the western part of the United States. The oldest is said to be 5,060 years old.
5,060 years old? Wow.
Exactly. Wow. It germinated in 3050 BC. So this is around the time that the first writing system used by humans is being developed and Stonehenge is being constructed in England.
And this tree is still alive today?
That's correct.
How do scientists know the age of the tree? Is it from counting the rings?
Yes. By using a special drill, they can get a small sample of the inside trunk. And through dendrochronology, or counting the rings of the tree, they can determine the actual age, one ring for every year. So, this is the longest living single organism. There are also clonal organisms. Clonal organisms are more like a system of trees that share a single root system. So, one tree may only be, for example, a few hundred years old, but the entire root system can be much, much older.
How much older?
Well, in the case of a colony of aspen trees in Utah, 80,000 years old.
But if there are constantly new trees in this system, each of a different age, how do they determine the age of the entire system?
The age estimate is based on the size of the system. It is about 107 acres and has about 47,000 trees.